Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mrs. Rast here, and if you are listening to this, it is because you are looking for some more clarity in terms of the assignment investigating sources. Now, we will investigate primary, secondary, or a combination of both each week, and they'll be due the following week. And this is our first one, so I wanted to make sure we had a clear understanding. First thing, we have three sources here today. I'll scroll down so you can see them. There's one, here's two, here's three. All of these are secondary sources because it is hard to find written documents not only in ancient times, but this is prehistory time, before people were actually writing things down. So I'm using secondary sources to learn a little bit more about this time period. We wrote down the directions in class on our sheet, but if you forgot or were not here or were not following the directions, I'm going to go ahead and write them down again with you, and then please follow them. So step one, preview the document, which means you are reading through and looking for the main ideas of each section of text. The second step, you're going to read again. Oh, I know. Sometimes you have to read information, especially information you haven't had a lot of experience with, more than once. But we want to do it right, guys. At this time, as you're reading, what I would like you to do is highlight any words you don't know the meaning to. Okay? So for example, maybe when you're looking at this article right here, if you don't know what the word till means, then you would highlight it. Okay? And then what we're going to be doing on step 3 is out to the side, define the word. So you're basically translating this old or ancient document that maybe you're not familiar with reading. The fourth thing I'd like you to do is look at the question or questions I'm asking you to respond to. So for this particular passage, we have read through it once, we've read through it again, we've translated the hard words, and what we're going to be reading for this time is, okay, one way that progress during the Revolution helped Ulana and her friends. That's what we're looking for. So look at question you will respond to. Okay, third time's a charm. We're going to read to find our answer, or what we call our evidence. And when you find that evidence, that answer that you're going to be responding to, I'd like you to put a star right by it in the passage and write it on the area provided. So when you find one way that progress helped Ulana and her friends, you're going to star it wherever it is here. You're going to write it right here, and you will be good to go. And for passage number 2 and for passage number 3, I need you to follow the same steps. And yes, sometimes that is boring. Sometimes you don't want to do that, but we need to make sure that we understand what the authors are saying. And with ancient or older text, guys, they sometimes speak differently than we do today. The meaning can be a little bit hard to decipher. So I hope that helps you. Talk to me in class if you still need additional help. Otherwise, I look forward to reading your responses.